I'm your host for Thai Road Trip from C9 Hotel Works and Delivering Asia Communications. Today we're here at Coffee Tabletop in Canele, arguably the best coffee in Phuket. Good lad, how are you?
Good, and you?
I'm pretty excited here because we're having Caneles today. Canele, if you don't know, is a French pastry. It's an amazing thing you're going to get in Bordeaux. Again, it's tasting of vanilla, it's got rum inside as well, and there's great little custard inside by a caramelized outside. Good lad, why Caneles in Phuket?
Normally, the first thing, this is my favorite dessert. And then I want to put in my cafe to let everybody try.
Okay, so one of these amazing things is, if I'm going to have Caneles, why are your Caneles? I mean, I've had Caneles all over the world, and these are some of the best. Why are yours so special?
Because it's like we select everything, the ingredient is very good product. And even the lamb, we use the original lamb, not the lamb extract.
But there is a secret, right?
Yes.
Which you can't tell me, or you have to kill me, right?
Just only one thing that I can tell you.
Now, if I'm going to be having a Canele, what's the perfect coffee for my Canele?
Normally, I do recommend with hot tea or hot Americano. That's one you're gonna
Not
be
an Americano.
Yeah,
One of my favorites. So Caneles, but they're only coming once a week here at Tabletop, right?
Yes, it's only special on Saturday only.
So Saturday, again, come down to Coffee Tabletop and get a Canele. It's an amazing experience. This is Bill Barnett from C9 Hotel Works and Delivering Asia for another Thai road trip. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.